Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set full photo on incoming call screen on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Once you selected apps, scroll down the apps page until you get to phone, and then go ahead and then select phone. So just search through, click on phone, come to default calling app and click on incoming calls. Make sure you set this to full screen instead of banner. If you set this to banner, this is going to show banner screen while you have an incoming call on your iPhone. So for full screen, choose full screen and then you're good. Now go back to your phone app, click on contact and then search for the caller name you want to set full screen photo. Click on it and then click on edit. Click on edit again. Click on customize. Select poster. Click on the photo icon at the bottom left. Then scroll down and then select your favorite photo. So just scroll down and select your favorite photo. After that, click on done at top right. Now click on continue. Click on continue. And again, click on done at top right. And that is it. Now, when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone from this particular contact, then it should have a full screen photo as the call background. You see that? So that is basically how to set full screen photo on incoming call on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.